What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the channel. We're just driving around for a little bit. Gonna go take some flicks of the car, get some thumbnails for you guys. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the ride. Just got done hitting some legs. Just riding around for a little bit. I've been recording a lot of videos today. I recorded like maybe 5-6 videos. I'm not gonna cap. I've been going crazy today. Is it just me, or like, do y'all wash your hands after y'all get done working out, or do you just hop straight into the car? You know what I mean? Like, I'm very germophobic. I don't like to work out, touch my phone, you know, and then just leave and then touch the steering wheel and all that, you know. Like, every time I get home after the gym, I wipe down my interior. I clean my interior. I'm dead ass. I'm that big of a germaphobe, bro. And I hear too many stories about people at the gym like catching like chlamydia and all types of crazy nonsense, bro. Staph infection. Because people don't be cleaning their gyms like that, man. They really don't. They don't even be sanitizing their stuff half the time. They just let it rot. Let it sit there, rot, build up. And there ain't no telling like who goes into the gym, bro, and touches all the equipment. You know what I mean? Like, it could be the nastiest person on earth and we wouldn't know. We wouldn't know. But in all due respect though, like, I gotta wash my hands after I get done working out, and I do not touch my phone. I have not touched my phone since I've been out of the gym and been driving around. Like, it's that serious. Like, for real. But I mean, that's just me though, you know? Like, that's just me. Like, maybe, like, I watch a lot of YouTube. I'm not gonna sit here and act like, oh, I'm no social media, you know? Like, nah, I watch a lot of YouTube. I watch a lot of car content creators, like this chick who has a Mustang Mach 1, which I love, by the way. I would love to have a Mach 1 Mustang. Shit's so clean. Just the look, bro. Mach 1, Dark Horse, or Shelby's a given. But she has a Mustang Mach 1, and y'all probably know who she is. She has a lot of subscribers. I think she has like 100-something thousand, maybe 500-something thousand. She's super cool. But, you know, like, people, like, I be seeing her, like, she'll pump gas and she'll sit in the car and she'll start, like, putting Germ-X on her hands. Like, I do the same thing. But then there's other YouTubers who will work out, bro, and I swear on everything, they will walk out the gym, head cam on and all, not even wash their hands, bro. And it's like, that has to be the most heinous shit I've ever seen. You know what I mean? Like, it's so nasty. For real. And like, even my seats, bro, like, I wipe down my seats. Like, I go and I get like McCormick's leather wipes, like shampoo and conditioner wipes, and I wipe down my seat, wipe down my steering wheel, you know, everything that has leather on it. Like, I wipe it down just because I want to keep it clean, you know what I mean? Like, I can't just, like, it's so gross, because, you know, so many people's like straight up butt sweat is on gym like equipment, and you sit on it. Think about that. And then you just sit in your car. And then if you sit in your car after the gym and then sit on your bed, no, don't even change clothes, don't wash or nothing, that's disgusting. Like, that's actually disgusting. Actually disgusting. I couldn't even imagine, bro. Like, my inner germophobic self, bro, like, if I did that, I would have to deep clean my bed, bro. No joke. Like, there's certain things, like, even at work, I will wash my hands like 8, 7, 9, 10 times a day. Just from touching, like, nasty stuff. And I'm not even joking. Like, I genuinely wash my hands that much. Just because I'm a germaphobe like that. It's how I was, like, kind of born into it, I guess. Like, from a little kid, I used to go to a private school when I was little. I went to private school when I was little, like, really, really little, and I guess then, like, I kind of had like germs and stuff kind of engraved in my head. Like, oh, you gotta wash your hands. Like, they always made us wash our hands before we ate or when we got out the bathroom and stuff. So I guess it was kind of like a trait that I kind of picked up on and just kind of stuck with it in the long run. Which, I mean, I'm not complaining about. I mean, honestly, it's a pretty damn good trait. I'm clean. It's not like I'm walking around here like booty hole residue or, you know, some crazy nonsense, right? Like, I stay clean no matter what. But like when I touch, I even no dead ass. Peep this. I even have Clorox wipes in my car. That's how big of a germaphobe I am, bro. I will wipe down my phone and everything. Like, I'm not joking about this, bro. It's serious stuff. But I mean, hey, you know, to each their own. Some people aren't like that. I'm like that. If I go to the gas station, I put gas in this car maybe like twice a week now. It used to be once a week before I started content, but twice a week now that I do content, sometimes even 3. But you know, like every single time I pump gas, I literally smother my hands in Germ-X and wash my hands, just because I can't do it, bro. Like, just walking around like that all nasty, it's not me. Not me at all. And literally, like, what's a W about this? What's a W about having, like, multiple, like, businesses and stuff? Like, I pay for my gas by editing videos. Like, I edit videos for one of my friends who's a YouTuber, and he pays me, and literally all that money just goes towards my gas. Like, I only make enough to pay my gas, you know, like, however many times I get gas, but off of that. But I mean, that's a quick little side hustle of just like gas expenses that I don't have to worry about, you know. Like, I have that security in knowing I don't got to worry about gas, because I have that stream of income of editing this video, and, you know, go buy gas here, go buy gas there. You know, I don't got to worry about it, which is a blessing. I mean, it is a blessing that I have that friend, great friend, one of my best pals, man. I love that guy to death. And honestly, like, a blessing in itself that I'm in a position to where I know how to edit, because I've done YouTube majority of my life, honestly. I have so many other channels that I keep secret, but, you know, I've ran up channels and, oops, didn't mean to downshift. I've ran up channels in less than a year and started making profit off of it. Like, I kind of know my way around it, but I mean, hey, that's just me, man. Like, I like to work hard, you know. I like to stay busy. It keeps my mind off of everything, and it keeps my eyes. It keeps me occupied and away from them demons, as So Illuminati would say. Oh, shoot. I think they're working down there, bro. Yeah, they're working over there. Hold on, I'm gonna turn around over here or something. I hope they don't get mad that I'm, like, over here doing this. I hope they don't get mad. I'm not doing anything bad. I'm just making content. The things you gotta do for content, man. Put yourself in harm's way. Check something out real quick. That thing is so dirty. Oh, that car is dirty as all get out, man. But it looks clean though. Can't beat it. It's mad dirty. Yeah, I gotta wash that car, dude. I gotta wash it. That's awful. Yeah, rotors seem fine. Nothing too crazy going on there. But, regardless of that, let's take some thumbnails, yeah? My battery is about to die. I don't have my spare battery with me, because why would I? Right? New to this content thing, I'm not the best. Yeah, man, why would I try talking with the window up or down? What's going on, man? What am I thinking? But look, you gotta stay on the grind, man. You gotta work hard, dude. Like this, life ain't no joke. You're not gonna get anywhere if you don't work for what you want. If you don't have the discipline. I have crippling social anxiety. I'm dead serious. I really do have bad social anxiety. Even at the gas station, I want to take pictures of my car when I go inside to get a drink or something, but I don't, because I get so anxious about even taking pictures, man. I don't even like taking pictures with my family. I'm so anxious. But I mean, I gotta break out the comfort zone eventually. I can't just sit around and my whole life and not speak to people, or heck, be in pictures, be social, do social events. I'm not gonna get anywhere in life if I don't do that. You know, nobody will. You'll just be forever in your enclosed bubble. So now I'm trying to talk to people more, be more social, be more friendly. I'm trying to start conversations more, be more extroverted. I really am. It's been a journey. It has. And it's still an ongoing journey, you know. It's a whole process. My whole life I've been in a bubble. I've been in a shell. I've never been enthusiastic about much. It's hard for me to show my emotions. But you know, it's a work in progress, man. I'm getting better every day. I mean, even this helps me a lot, you know. YouTube, talking helps me a lot in expressing myself, because I mean, it's a struggle. It really is, having bad anxiety like that. And I mean, I've even had crazy anxiety attacks, even in the stores sometimes when there's a lot of people. But you know, it's a work in progress. I just got to understand that, you know, God's always with me. There's nothing to fear. I have no one to fear. And at the end of the day, you know, we're all people just trying to make it. And I gotta keep pushing forward, man. I gotta keep pushing. I can't be comfortable, and I can't be just stable. Gotta keep going forward. But anyways, I'm in the video here because I feel like my camera is gonna die mid insane mythical quote pull. I feel like my camera will die if I start talking and I do some mythical quote. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope y'all enjoyed. I filmed 7 videos today. Before I get out of here, just turn the camera on, record, and no matter what you're doing, bro, if you're making car content, just record everywhere you go, bro. Except for, you know, places around you, so you'll be safe. But just record everywhere you go, man. I mean, there's no reason not to. It's just free content. And so I hope y'all enjoyed these videos. More and more to come. Like I said, 31 days of 31 days of Gojeeeta Halloween. That's what it's called, the series. 31 days of Gojeeeta Halloween. Leave a like, subscribe. Videos every day in the month of October. We're going stupid. I'm feeling like Cupid because I love you guys. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Deuces.